Hi all, let us solve this problem. This is from the chapter application of trigonometry and exercise 9.1. Okay, in this one, what they given? A tree breaks due to a storm and the broken part bends so that top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees. Means the tree has broken and the broken part is bent like this and making a 30 degrees of angle. Okay, the distance between the foot of the tree and to the point where the top of the tree touches is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. First of all, we have to write the diagram, draw the diagram. Now let us consider this one is tree. Okay, now due to storm it has broken and the broken part is bent like this. Okay, the tree was first it was straight and it was broken like this. So this part of the tree and this part of the tree, same thing. The broken parts bends, this is bent, so that the top of the tree, this will be the top of the tree. It is broken like this and top will become like this. So this is top of the tree. Touches the ground, making an angle of this ground, making an angle of 30 degrees. So 30 is the ground. Okay, and the distance between the foot of the tree, this is a foot, to the point where top of the tree touches the ground is 8 meters. Here is the top of the tree touching and this is the foot of the tree. So this is 8 meters. Okay, so we have to find the height of the tree. What is the height of the tree? This is also part of the tree and this is also part of the tree. So by adding these two, we'll get the total height of the tree. Understand now? This is also the part of the tree. This is also part of the tree. The tree was broken, that's why it is bent like this. So we have to add these two parts, then we'll get the height of the tree. Understand now? So this is the logic. We got a diagram. Let us consider this one as B and this one is A. Okay, so now we have to find which trigonometry ratio should be used here. Okay, this is the angle we have, and for this angle the value is 8 meters given here. So this side will be coming as a adjacent side. Okay, adjacent side formula is always for cos. So cos 30. Cos 30. Okay, let us consider cos theta. Formula, first of all write the formula. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, here the angle is 30, cos 30. Adjacent side is 8 meters. So 8 divided by hypotenuse A. Okay. Now what is cos 30? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. That is 8 by A. Root 3 by 2. We have to remember compulsory. That is very important. We have to remember each and every trigonometry ratio at a particular angle. Already we have studied in chapter 8. Okay, in that one we have solved the number of ratios in terms of degrees, means angles. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay, so what is A? Simplify this one. A is equal to 8 into 2 by root 3. By taking A here, 2 here and root 3 will be here. 2 is divided, so it will becoming multiplication, and this is in the numerator, it will become as denominator. Okay. So that is equal to 16 by root 3 meters. Okay, fine. Now we have to find the total length of the tree, but total length of the tree means A plus B, both we have to add. So we also have to find the value of b also. So now here the value of b for 30 degrees, b is opposite side. So angle is given and our side is opposite side. So what is the trigonometry ratio we have to use? Sin 30. So sin 30, that is equal to opposite by adjacent. No, opposite by hypotenuse. Oh, sorry, opposite side by hypotenuse side. So sin 30 is equal to b by a, opposite by hypotenuse. So now what you get, b is equal to sin 30 into a is, write a here step by step. So sin 30 into, sin 30 is, what is the value of sin 30? 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into a is equal to 16 by root 3. A is equal to 16 by root 3. So 2 ones are 2 8s are. So b is equal to 8 by root 3. Okay. So this is 8 by root 3 meters. So we want the height of the tree. Height of the tree is equal to, we already discussed height of the tree. The total tree is, this is also tree, part of the tree, and is also part of the tree. So total height. Height is equal to a plus b. That is 16 by root 3. A is 16 by root 3 plus b is 8 by root 3. Okay. Which is equal to root 3 are both are same. So we can add numerator directly. So 16 plus 8, 24 by root 3. Okay. Now we can simplify further this one. What do you get now? 24 can be written as 8 into 3 because root 3 is there here. So we can write in terms of 3 only. So 8 3s are 24 divided by root 3. Okay. Now root 3 ones are, root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. So the height will be 8 root 3 meters. This is the answer. Okay. That is the answer. Okay, only thing is we have to know the diagram. That is important, and we have to know after we knowing the diagram, we get the diagram. After that we have to find which ratio should be used to get the correct sides, means exact sides. Okay, corresponding sides. So that is a very important thing. That is an important logic we have to use here. I hope you all understood this one. Very important problems are this. So very simple problems. Nothing is there. The question may be big, but solution is very small. Okay. So I think you all understood this one. If any doubts are there, then let me know in comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.